Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise, I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. All right, let's recap. They stop hit at 9:41. So the reason I went bullish, I was waiting for a bearish setup here. This is Palantir and 1 minute chart. So I was expecting that, but this bar was too big. That's what I thought, but I should enter anyway because my stop would be all the way up here, but I didn't because I wanted this bar to be smaller, so I'll wait for another setup. So the green line is the low of yesterday and the red line is the high of yesterday, and those green line is the low of the days before back then. So it bounced on this low and reject, putting this. That's the reason I think it didn't work, this pattern, but I don't know. It doesn't look like a pattern now. Then I see it's, let me see. Yeah, it's more like it's a channel. But the thing it is that it touched the bounce and rejected, but I entered the broke of this bar here. But I think this was the pattern here and never broke the pattern. But I was focused on this trend line here because I was focused on the channel. But you never know. But this was the pattern for me, the channel. But this formed after. And then I realized it formed another channel. So, yeah, I follow my rules. I didn't do anything wrong. It's just that I noticed this pattern formed here. So, it's probably gonna bounce here. I go to my target now, as usual. So that's the trade for today. I felt some frustration after stopped out, but I didn't act on it. I respect my risk. Didn't chase another setup, and stepped away when the trade was done. And losses are part of the business, and discipline is the job. I'll reset and be ready for the next session. And always remember, process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.